Hey there, let's look at one of my lead sounds. This one features one of my usual tricks, and that is to have the pitch bend go an octave down and then a whole step up. So, right? And it's a combination, and within the combination you have kind of like the main tone, but you also have some harmonic tones. And you get those by moving the joystick either forward or back, so you can be like... If you hit the switch here, you can actually get two different harmonics. Now what's really pretty cool is also on the ribbon you get some nice grunge, so you can hold a note and then... So you use the ribbon maybe like with your thumb or something, and then... Sometimes I'll take the back of my finger here and I'll be like... So that combination of using the ribbon and also moving the joystick is definitely what makes the cool sound. So that's just a little bit about it. There you go.